Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi AirDots 2, the wireless earbuds, and I will show you how you can pair them to any Android smartphone. In this case I'm going to use Oppo A54 5G. So we got two ways how we can pair them. The first one, when you are opening the case and the indicator is blinking, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So when you move to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and enable Bluetooth, they will pop on the available devices list. As you can see, here they are in my case, but if in your case it's not blinking, you have to click and hold both buttons right here on the earbuds. They are going to be turned off. Right now they are turned off, so we have to put them into the pairing mode, so you have to click and hold these buttons at the same time again. When it's blinking, as you can see, it means that they are in the pairing mode, so you have to click refresh on your list. Here they are, so tap accept pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.